with this, we have successfully completed measures of central tendency. So now we will be moving on to the next one, that's measures of dispersion or measures of variability. So before we jump into the next type of tools in summarizing the data, I just want to show you the navigation map. Where are we? What we have done? What we will be doing. So if you see this, this is what the navigational map for the summarizing data module in descriptive statistics. In this, you can clearly see that we have measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, measures of shapes, percentiles, measures of association. In this, so far, in summarizing data, we have completed measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode. So now we'll be moving on to the measures of dispersion. And if you see the overall navigational map in descriptive statistics, we have completed uh, the previous one. So and after that, organizing the data, that's what we have completed. For after looking into the organizing the data, we are moved on to the summarizing the data. So now it's time for us to jump into the estimates of variability or measures of variability or measures of dispersion. So what is this? What all we're gonna learn here? So measures of variability, also known as measures of dispersion or statistical measures that describe the spread, variability, or dispersion of a set of data. They provide information and they provide information about how much the values in a data set deviate from the central tendency measures such as the mean, median, or mode. So that is the reason I have put this measures of variability after finishing the measures of central tendency. I'm just repeating again what does measures of variability mean. So measures of variability is nothing but it describes the spread, variability, or dispersion of a data set. They provide information about how much the values in a data set deviate from the central tendency. Central tendency measures, which are nothing but mean, median, or mode. So we have there are several commonly used measures of variability such as range, variance, standard deviation, interquartile range, and mean absolute deviation. And all those things we will be looking into in this module called Mastering Estimates of Variability or Measures of Variability.